What's up, guys? This is at Jamie again. It's all about BitConnect. So if you're not yet on BitConnect, I implore you to come and join BitConnect. So like I said, last time we checked my account, the total hand was around $73. So I have about $76 now. Now on my account, I have in my lending wallet $12. So I'm going to reinvest. So this is what I do regularly. Try to make sure that I have enough capital. Now my target is to have like $200 on my lending account, and then from there I can start cashing out. So what we're going to do right now is just to show us how to reinvest our hand money. So just click on Learn BitConnect/reinvest. So you click on reinvest. So it's going to ask you how much are you lending out. So for us, we can only lend out in a multiple of 10. So since I have 12, I'll be putting 10 there. So let me click hold. So I have a leftover of $2. So I'll be lending out $10. Okay, let's make it 10. Let's make it 10. So I'm lending out $10 to have my remaining balance there. So I'll be reinvesting this. Confirm. So that has been successfully invested. So if you check, I see in my lending wallet I have $2 left. So if you now check my capital, this will change to, my total investment will change to $190. So let me refresh the page and let's see how much my total investment will be. Sorry about the noise. Now my total investment is 190 and my active investment is 190. All of this capital will be released in 10 months. And within that 10 months, all I did just 4 consecutive months of functioning. Within that 4 months, I would have been able to get back my capital and with some little interest. So that is all for now. Then, like I told you, if you want to join us, that's my referral link there. You can always check out my referral link to register. So now let's check the percentage that we're having today, because we need to check that regularly to see how much we are making daily. Wow. The last time we did it, we had 1.51%. I think that was the percentage we are expecting. Today is 1%, and tomorrow is 1.85. Wow, that's good. Excuse me. That's close to $2. I mean, that's close to 2%. 1.85. So if you have $200 in your account and I get 1% daily, that means you have an approximate of $2 daily. Now for a typical Nigerian man like myself, $2 daily is something that is in the month you'll be having like $60. And by the time you convert that to naira, you'll be having like close like more than 18,000 naira every month. So that is just to show to you how real BitConnect is. And like I told you, BitConnect is a cryptocurrency. So you can always check the CoinMarketCap to see the list of cryptocurrencies that we have. In the CoinMarketCap, let's go there. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and see the coins that we have and their prices as well. Bitcoin is still taking the first position, and Bitcoin right now is at $3,951. Then Ethereum is taking the second position at $291. Then Bitcoin Cash, followed by Ripple, followed by Litecoin. You can always check this by yourself. So if you check either BitConnect is part of the cryptocurrency, just check BCC and click on BitConnect. You will see it there. BitConnect is at $120 for one token, and BitConnect is at rank 13 in the world in terms of the list of cryptocurrencies, list of coins. So if you check number 13, you can see that we have BitConnect there. So that is all we need to show us today. So guys, till next time we meet again on my trading account on BitConnect, I wish you guys all the best.